Hey, it's Megan of Say Hello Co. And I don't know if you can hear, but on my porch, which is like right here, my kids are playing bubbles with my husband and staying out of the road, so don't worry about that. But they are right there, so if you hear them laughing and stomping, that is why. Hopefully you cannot. I have another unboxing for you today. This one is from Fawn Design, and can you tell that I'm in like nesting mode because I'm doing like these unboxings and I'm thinking about strollers. We were at Bye Bye Baby today looking at strollers that can hold 3 kids in some way, and so I'll tell you in a different video, I think, all about my decision-making process about that. Spoiler, it's gonna be expensive for what I want. So if you have suggestions that aren't like half of a car payment, leave those in my comments because my husband's supportive, but like, geez, holy manoli, 3-kid accessory strollery thing is going to cost me a small fortune, I feel like. I don't know, maybe that's too much rambling. Maybe you just want to see the bag. So let's get to it. This is the Fawn Design in the new spring color, Oatmeal. I went back and forth between Oatmeal and Dusty Blue, as I know a bunch of you did. But at the end of the day, the Oatmeal is just really, really pretty, I hope. I've only owned one Fawn Design. It was last year about this time. Apparently I have a thing for their spring colors. It was in Poppy. I have 2 videos for that bag, which I'll link in the description box below. But I ended up selling it pretty quickly because it didn't meet my needs at the time. There were a couple of issues with it, and those things haven't changed with the bag, except for the fact that it's been a year and I want to try it again. So that's where I'm at. So let's get this thing open and check it out. And I'm always surprised. The Fawn Design box is really kind of small compared to like when you get a Lily Jade in the mail. It's like a huge box. So they really pack these things in there. What's nice is this box opens really easily. Sometimes they don't. And when you open it up, it has beautiful Fawn Design logo on there, and it comes in a dust bag. I can't remember if my other one came in a dust bag, but I don't remember it looking quite like this. This is really pretty. The white dust bag is really nice. So as you know, Fawn doesn't sell in like retail stores, so I haven't seen this color except in a few pictures on Instagram. So I wanted to really give you a good look. It came in another bag inside the dust bag. It's actually really, really pretty. Look at that. I'm trying to find the best lighting so you can see what color it is. It's very true cream color. Like they said, this is not the bloom color. It does not have like a shade of pink in it. It definitely feels like a true cream color bag. It does have the signature gold hardware, the signature logo on there. I do feel like Fawn, their hardware is one of the best I've seen. I really like how it says the name. I wonder if it'd be helpful to grab a couple of shirts to put up next to it. Luckily, my closet's right in front of me. So here's like a checked shirt that has a true white, and this is the cream with it. Here's like an all over white shirt. So you can see the fawn is definitely not white, it is definitely cream. So let's check out the inside. If you know Fawn, you know that the inside always matches the outside. It's always got that really nice large interior, zipper pocket on the back, slip pockets all the way around the inside. It's really, really pretty. So let me know what questions you have about this. I'm hoping to take a good few photos, put them on Instagram, so you should follow me over there. I'll also link my profile for that in the description box so you can find me. I'm trying not to move it too fast so you can really get an idea. I believe this bag is still in stock, so you should order it while you can. So there we go. That's the Fawn Design in Oatmeal. I'm curious if you guys ordered anything from their spring collection or if you already have a Fawn Design. I'd love to talk to you about it because I know so many of you love it and some have tried it and found it heavy, so I'd just really love to hear your opinions on the bag. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you guys soon. Bye! I feel like this angle is really nice on my giant pregnancy cheeks. I feel like they keep happening. I have 2 months left and it just... Pregnancy is a beautiful thing, right? But it's better at this angle. Just trust me on that.